The LX9000 Gaitster Forearm Rollator by Lumex is designed for ease of use while keeping the user in an upright, comfortable position. This video will outline the assembly of your LX9000 Gaitster Forearm Rollator. Before beginning, check the box for any obvious damage and report it to the carrier and your GF-authorized distributor. Box includes 2 leg frame assemblies with wheels, brakes, and hand grips, 2 handle assemblies with forearm pads, 1 backrest, 1 main frame with seat and cross braces, 1 storage pouch, 4 locking knobs, 2 locking hand knobs, 2 brake cable clips, 1 cane/crutch holder. To begin, place the main frame and legs onto their side. Install the leg assemblies on the inside of the rollator frame, ensuring that reflectors and brake lines remain on the outside. Repeat on the second side. Fasten the brake cable to the outside of the leg frames using the flexible E-clip. Move the rollator upright and push down firmly on both sides of the seat to lock it into place. Insert handles into the frame tubes, adjusting to the desired height. Turn locking knobs clockwise to secure handles in place. Ensure both arms are set to the same height. Push the cane/crutch holder into the designated connector until secure. Install the storage pouch on the rollator's wire hangers. Secure the straps around the rollator legs. Then attach hook and loop straps behind the front wheels. Insert the backrest into the designated mounting points on the handles until it clicks securely into place. Tighten the knob until secure. Install the 2 locking hand knobs onto the top of each handle assembly before inserting the handles into the rollator frame. Ensure the teeth of the bolt are in place. Examine the hand grip marks to determine your proper length. Then install the hand grip. Loosen locks on both handles to adjust armrest angle and depth for user comfort. Ensure uniform depth and height on both sides. Tighten and secure the handbrakes. Before use, confirm. Wheels are securely attached. Seat is locked. Backrest installed. Hand grips and forearm pads adjusted and secured. Brakes function properly. Your Lumex Gaitster Forearm Rollator is fully assembled and ready to use. For adjustments, usage tips, or maintenance, refer to the full user manual or contact GF support.